We're back with some breaking inputs coming in. The showdown over NCERT preamble removal continues. Privilege motion against the education minister now. We're given to understand that Jairam Ramesh has moved this privilege motion against education minister. Notice for having misled the house. That's the allegation that is being leveled. We have Niyamika getting us more details on that. Yes, Niyamika.
Well, yes, the Congress Party of Rajya Sabha MP Jairam Ramesh has moved a privilege motion notice against the Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, accusing him of misleading the House on the issue of the removal of preamble from the NCERT textbooks. As we have recently seen that how the Congress President and the Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, has raised this entire issue within Rajya Sabha, in which he has said and quoted some of the media reports in which it was being stated that the preamble of the Constitution is going to be dropped from certain NCERT textbooks, and that was the reason why he had also sought a reply on the part of the government. However, countering this claim of the opposition, the government had said that it is not true, and they were committed to protecting the Constitution. As we have seen that how Mallikarjun Kharge had said that that preamble used to be published in the NCERT books, but now it is an attack on the part of the government of India upon the Constitution, and that is the only reason why preamble chapter is going to be omitted from the textbooks of the NCERT. However, that claim was completely being denied by the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, saying that it is not true at all, and the preamble chapter is still there in the NCERT books. And now it is Jairam Ramesh, who is the Congress Party's Rajya Sabha MP, who has given a privilege motion, as he has alleged that Dharmendra Pradhan was trying to mislead the House, and that is the reason why this kind of statement is being given by the Union Education Minister.
Absolutely, Niyamika. In fact, Jairam Ramesh had also written a letter to the chairman of Rajya Sabha, Jagdeep Dhankar, in this regard. Niyamika?
Well, yes, right. As we have seen that how the Congress Party has been continuously making this kind of attack upon the government of India, alleging that the government wants to target the Constitution of our country, and that's the only reason why they have once again raised this matter in the Parliament session, in which they are stating, as it was Mallikarjun Kharge who had stated that the preamble chapter has been removed from the NCERT textbooks, and for that reason now the manner in which...
Yes, Niyamika, stay on with us. We have some reactions coming in as well. Pratibha is going to take us through that. Yes, Pratibha.
Right, Swati. So this is the letter that had been written, and it says here, notice of question of privilege against Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, the Union Minister, for having misled the House. That's what Jairam Ramesh has said, and he says, I hereby give a notice of question of privilege under Rule 187 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States against Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. He has mentioned what happened on the 7th of August, as he goes on to say, with the permission of the chairman, the Honourable Leader of Opposition had raised the matter regarding omitting the preamble to the Constitution of India in the textbook by NCERT. He spoke about the discussion that has taken place in the House, and then he goes on to say that on the other hand, in the textbook of students class 3 titled Our Wondrous World June 2024 edition textbook in Hindi, he goes on to mention that this is absolutely wrong and this has misled the House, and that's the charge that he has made, saying that it is well established that misleading and misrepresentation of facts on the floor of the House constitutes breach of privilege and contempt of the House. I therefore request you to initiate privilege proceedings against Shri Dharmendra Pradhan in this regard. So that's a letter that Jairam Ramesh has written.
All right, Pratibha and Niyamika, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep tracking the developments in this story. For the moment, a quick break.